Hey creators and gear junkies, stop scrolling. Because what you're about to see is not just another drone or action cam announcement. We've got major leaks, one from Insta360 that flips the drone game upside down, and another from DJI that proves they're not going down without a fight. You'll want to stay till the end, because trust me, both of these gadgets are setting new rules in the sky. Let's dive in. So here's the shocker. Insta360, the brand that brought us invisible selfie sticks and 360 cams that blew our minds, is officially entering the drone game. And their first entry is called Anti-gravity. No, this isn't clickbait, it's real. Think of it as if a sci-fi concept artist and a drone engineer had a baby. This sleek new beast isn't just flying, it's fusing storytelling, freedom, and creative power into one. Most drones are designed for pilots. This one? It's designed for creators. That's right, no flight school, no permits, and no crew needed. Anti-gravity weighs just under 249 grams, which means it slides under drone registration limits in most countries. No red tape, just lift off. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just vibing at the beach, you can launch this drone from your hoodie pocket. Instant cinematic shots without the hassle. This isn't your average aerial footage. Anti-gravity captures 8K 360-degree video. That means you're not locked into one perspective. You can pan, tilt, zoom, or even reframe after the flight. Imagine directing your shot after filming. Total freedom. Whether you're telling stories on YouTube or crafting Instagram reels, the flexibility this gives you is unmatched. Now here's where it gets crazy. Anti-gravity is packed with a real-time stitching engine, complete with its own heatsink and internal cooling fan. Yes, a fan. On a sub-250 drone. That's practically unheard of. This thing isn't just recording, it's thinking. It processes footage as it flies, meaning you spend less time editing and more time creating. Lazy editors, rejoice! Don't let its size fool you. This drone's got muscle. Rugged arms, a solid body, brushless motors. It's built to survive the real world. The foldable two-blade props keep it compact, while the beefy rear battery bay supports hot swappable batteries. That means no downtime between flight. Pop one out, plug one in, and keep flying. Anti-gravity isn't just a drone with a camera, it's a camera with wings. This is the world's first true 360 flying cam, not a Frankenstein of parts. Insta360 reimagined what flying cameras could be. This isn't about specs, it's about new creative possibilities. You shoot one clip and end up with a dozen perspectives. You're shooting a travel vlog, you're walking through a rice terrace, and your drone is floating beside you. Later, you reframe the footage. First-person close-up, cinematic wide shot, aerial pullout, all from the same clip. One flight becomes an entire video. This is what creators dream of. One shot, infinite edits. But while Insta360 is lifting off, DJI isn't sitting back. In fact, they're making a move that flips the script again. What if I told you DJI's new Neo 2 drone is not only official, but already FCC certified and ready to drop? The original DJI Neo was a sleeper hit, small, strong, and budget-friendly. But Neo 2? This thing is going to own the compact drone market. It's even smaller, packs more power, and comes with a 10.7% bigger battery than before. That's more airtime, more tracking shots, and more chances to get that 1 in a million shot without your drone yelling low battery mid-flight. If DJI keeps the Neo 2 near the original price point, around $289, it could be one of the best value drones of the year. It's that perfect sweet spot. Not too basic for creators, but not too complicated for beginners. Whether you're filming your pet, your travels, or your next short film, Neo 2 brings the heat in a tiny form factor. We are officially entering a new era of aerial creativity. Insta360's Anti-gravity is changing how we think about flying cameras, while DJI's Neo 2 is redefining value and portability. If you're a creator, this is your moment. Hit that like button if you're hyped. Drop a comment. Which one would you fly first, Anti-gravity or Neo 2? Subscribe so you don't miss hands-on footage, deep dives, and side-by-side comparisons coming soon. The sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. Let's fly.